Hi friends, so today I have bought a new product called VNG Professional Crimper hairstyle. So you can see that I have already unboxed it. So now you can see the product inside. I just unboxed it. It's cost around some 999 rupees. I can see the model. Okay, then this is a wire plug-in. Okay, let me plug in so we can check is it working fine or not. Okay, now I'm just going to plug. I'm just on. So the thing is on. So let's try. This is the new to me, so let me check. Okay. Oh, the button is inside. You can see inside the temperature. This is the right one. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, you can see the temperature. Okay, by clicking this, and how much temperature do you want. So let's see inside. Yeah, the power is on. We can do based on the how much temperature you want to do, we can the crimp the hair. Okay, using this. I'll show the demo video by using this hair. Okay, so I just unboxed this product. Yeah, thank you.